Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up default country for your GoHighLevel checkout page, okay, and also restrict that country from changes by using the country drop down menu. Okay, you can see here in this example we have a order form, and in this order form we have pre-selected country, which is United States in this example, and this country is not changeable. Okay, so once we click on this drop down, then it's not actually allow us to change the country. You can see here, so by default it's set United States as our country, and then it's not changeable. Okay, so it's important to make this type of order form when you're selling a specific product to a specific country, and you don't want your user to select the country, and by default the country will be selected on the checkout page when they land it on that page. Okay, so this is how it actually works. But when you add the order form, okay, let me show you the other scenario. Okay, so when you add the order form, okay, by default it allows actually to select the country. Okay, so here is the order form. You can see here, once I click on it, it actually allow me to select the country. Okay, so I can choose any country as my order form shipping country. Okay, so we can also change the country like this. Okay, but in our example here we cannot change the country, but also by default it's set to United States. Okay, so let me show you how you can set this code snippet into your GoHighLevel checkout page. Okay, well, here in this page I already added a order form, okay, by using our GoHighLevel page element, and under that I added custom HTML and JavaScript code option. You can also do it by using the option. Let me show you how you can add this. Just click this plus button, okay, here, and then you will get the option to choose the code like this one. Okay, so I already added one, so I deleted the last one I added, and then copy the code snippet from our GHL code snippet library. Okay, and then just click on it and open the code editor and just paste the copied code from our code snippet library to here. Okay, and then just set your default country. In this example we set United States as default country, so that's why it's US. Always you need to just put the shortcode of the country name. Okay, so for United States you don't need to put the full name like United States. Okay, let's say for United Kingdom you don't need to put United Kingdom. You just need to put the shortcode of the country, like for example, if I want to use United Kingdom as my default country, then I just need to put GB as the shortcode of that country. Okay, that's how it actually works. And one more thing I want to mention here, I'm not showing the full code snippet here because this is the part of our premium code snippet. That's why I'm just showing you the option that you actually need to make change. Otherwise, all other code, you don't need to touch anything. Okay, you just need to set your default country here. Okay, otherwise everything else is fine. Okay, so let me set the United Kingdom as my default country and see how it actually works. Okay, well, I added the code snippet, and now just click the save button. Okay, publish the page button, and then once published, then click here to preview the page. If everything goes well, then we should have United Kingdom as our pre-selected country. You can see here, once the page loaded, it's set UK as the default country, and now we can put all other information like our name, email address, phone number, address, city, as well as we can choose the state, okay, for the country United Kingdom. Okay, and then we can also put the zip code. Okay, so everything else is editable, but only the country field, this is actually set as our default country and it's not changeable. Okay, so this is how this code snippet actually works. Okay, as I showed you earlier. Okay, if we see here, then by default we can actually change the country. Let's say we set UK, and then we can switch to United Kingdom. Okay, it's the default system for from GoHighLevel. But by using the code snippet, okay, you can actually restrict to change the country and also set your default country. Okay, so this is how this code snippet actually works. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also you can join our GHL SaasKits community, which is completely free. Okay, once you join there, you can also interact with other user. We already have 500 plus users in our community, and if you already a premium member, then you can get access to your premium course snippet here by going to the learning tab. But if you want to upgrade your account, then also from the discussion tab, just go to the learning tab and then click here to upgrade your account. Okay, so this is our premium course snippet library. Users need to upgrade, but if you don't want to upgrade, then you can use our GHL code snippet library basic version, which is the limited version of the code snippet, as well as you can consume all other content here we have. Okay, and also you get all the updated content we upload here in the community, and also the new course snippet release and everything you can get for free. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching this video. Have a nice day.